Tell me. What?
Guess what, girls?
What?
You know what me and Mommy found out today?
What?
Your mommy is going to have another baby.
Alright.
For real. You're gonna be big sisters all over again. How do we feel about that? Hannah, where are you going? You need a what? Boost? What'd you say? Well, we got a lot of things to think about there. How are you feeling, Hannah?